Hello guys and welcome to the channel. This is Liako's Moments, and on this video I'm gonna show you how to record high quality footage of your gameplay on your Xbox Series X or S without the need of use of any expensive capture card or other difficult method. Let's start. To access capture and share options, we press our Xbox home button on our controller and go right here to capture and share option tab. You should see already 3 options to record what happened, start recording and capture screenshot. This is one of the ways to record your footage, but before doing something silly, let's set up our capture settings and you'll find it down here. First, you need to allow game captures, because if this option is set not to capture, you won't be able to record anything. So here in the first box, select captures by me or captures by me and games. Below that, you can change the capture save location in the internal storage that allows to record small clips up to 1 minute if you record at 1080 and up to 3 minutes if you record at 720. Which is great for most people that want to record some highlights or good moments of the game. But in order to extend your recording time up to 1 hour, you need to select an external storage and use an external drive or pen drive. This storage must be USB 3.0 or faster and formatted as NTFS. Don't freak out about this Need for Speed format, it's nothing complicated and I will guide you through everything in detail. So let's take a pen drive. This, as you see, is a 3.0 and you can tell because of the blue color here inside. If it's blue, then it's most probably USB 3.0, but if it's different color like black, then it might be the older model, the USB 2.0, and it won't do. If you don't have a USB 3.0 pen drive, you can find very cheap now on Amazon, and I will include some recommendations in the description below. Let's take now our pen drive to the PC to format it. Let's go. Plug the pen drive to your computer, go to your computer and find the pen drive, right click on it, select format, and then change the format file system to NTFS and press start. Of course, make sure to save every important file you need from this drive, as the format will delete everything from this pen drive. So transfer anything you need before doing this. When it's done, click OK and take your pen drive to your Xbox. Then go to your Xbox settings, go to System Settings and here select the storage devices. Here you can see all your storage devices, so let's go down to our new pen drive and press on it. And select Set as Capture Location. A message pop up and let you know that you can now capture longer clips up to 60 minutes. Confirm that. Go back to Capture and Share options and now select Capture Location, your new 3.0 pen drive. And Xbox confirms that you can now record up to 60 minutes. Now that we finally set everything up, let's see how we can actually record our game. So once we open a game, simply hit that Xbox home button and navigate back to the Capture and Share tab. And press Start Recording or record what happened if there is something that happened and you need to record it. I never have used that, but it's nice to have it there in case you miss something. So again, let's access our capture and share options, press start recording to capture our footage, play the game, and whenever you're done, hit that Xbox home button again, go to capture and share tab and hit stop recording. To access that recorded footage, go to recent captures here on the same tab and watch your recordings. As your footage is saved on the USB drive, you can always unplug it from your Xbox and put it to your PC and watch that footage, transfer it or edit it as you want it. Before you quit the video, a quick tip for the ones who watch it all the way. So instead of opening that tab all the time to record, there is a way to remap the share button, so with one click to start and stop your recording. To do that, let's go to capture and share options down here on the settings, and here on the share we can go to button mapping. Choose the share button to map and you can decide if you want to press and start stop recording, hold it or double press it. I will choose to hold it, not to make it accidentally. Of course, here you can map any key to another, so here you go, another bonus tip. And now anytime I hold my share button, it starts recording, and if I hold it again, it stops the recording. And that is much faster and more comfortable way to do it. Did you know with the sync button you can switch between devices fast and easy? Check how it works in the next video, right here.